What up guys, it's your boy Manny Hernandez here, and in this video I want to show you step by step exactly how you can register into the new Forsage Tron version using your Tron Link Wallet. It's very easy and you can use this on Android and iPhone. Yes, iPhone users, you will be able to use this, but I need to show you a little hack. But don't tell nobody. You will learn everything about it right here, right now with your boy Manny Hernandez. So let's get to the meat. Forsage has been breaking records. I think that as I come here, I think that we should be, that's it, and let me refresh this. Let me refresh this because, that's it. We just broke 20,000 members. In less than 24 hours, we were able to get 20,000 members into the new Tron-based crowdfund 2.0 Forsage. This is amazing, guys. And let me tell you, what we have in-house for everybody in the MIC family is amazing. So I'm sure you're eager to get registered. So let's get you through. So how is that exactly you will do that? If you are on Android or iPhone, right? That's why we're here. You need to go, of course, to the Play Store or, App Store on iPhone, and you need to download Tron Link. If you are on Android, you will be downloading Tron Link Pro. That's how it's going to show up. For you guys on iPhone, you will have to use Tron Link. But same logo, you should see similar logo. So you click install, and of course, we got to get the wallet installed into your phone. So let's wait for that. This system is amazing, guys. I got to tell you something, as we go through this, once you understand how this platform is helping regular people, it will absolutely blow your mind. So as you go through this, so of course, now let's open it, and we are right there. So we need to either create an account or import an account. So usually you will be starting fresh. So let's go ahead and create an account. You got to scroll all the way down and then hit accept. And this is very important as you go through this. You're setting up some settings here that is very important that you keep in mind. So main one. So I'm going to call it. You assign a name to that wallet. And then it's asking you, this is very important. This password, you're going to be saving your password, guys. I got people hitting me up saying, I don't know what my password is. And I'm like, how come you don't know what your password is? You should know your password. It's that simple. It's that simple. You should know your password. So let's set up a dummy password just for, it wants the whole deal. It wants the whole deal. So, let's see if it takes that. It wants me to put it again. Correct password, classic. Once the password is you set your password, all you have to do is make sure that you save your and back up your wallet. It's obviously telling you not to take a screenshot. And I'm trying to do it and it doesn't let you tell you. So pretty much you need to save it, but let me save it and then come back. Once you have copied your wallet, all you have to do is make sure you say that you have saved it securely. Now, these words, guys, these words that you see here, you have to save this in the most secure place that you can. You cannot lose this key. If you lose this, you lose your money. It's that simple. So that's why they don't want you taking screenshots. They want to make sure you save this well, okay? So once you have saved it well, you hit save and it will ask you which, in order, which word is it, right? So number 10 is asking you, so that you know which one is it. Since you know 2 of them, then they know you saved it correctly, and now you can continue to move forward. So now we have in here your Tron Link Wallet. So this is very important. So now that you are in here, all that you have to do is go to the Me section, and you see where it says Advanced Features right there. And especially if you are on iPhone, guys, this is very important because this will work for you. This is the way, you guys need to understand something. Apple doesn't like, and the powers that be doesn't like cryptocurrency. So they cannot ban us, but basically they put struggles on us. So they don't like apps or wallets that interact with smart contracts. So they try to get rid of them. So what the developers here did is that they hid that kind of inside an advanced feature that's just for developers, because it really is for developers, right? And then that's how you can interact with a smart contract as a developer. So advanced features, and then you will see here this dApp browser. And here is where you will enter your link. And once you are here in this dApp browser, you can just paste the link that was given to you. Usually it will not look like this. It will have like an upline ID or a little other code in the back or something. But I just want to show you how it looks. So now that you are here, it's asking me if I want to do automatic login. Let me go to the registration. Usually you will go directly to this page, to the automatic registration page. So here you also have the option to change your ID, right? You have the option to change your ID. And once you have your ID changed, and you make sure that the ID you see down below is the ID that you see here. It can be anything, right? I'm just putting this random number, guys. Don't even think, the ID that was given to you. Like, you should be able to see it. It is what you should be able to see here, guys. All right. So that's pretty much it. All you have to do is automatic registration, and then it's asking you safe mode or fast. You can just go safe mode, and you see where it says continue. You just hit continue. It will asking you to enter your password again. Remember, when we created the wallet, we had a password, no? So let me see where I'm even entering that parameter or not. I'm just trying to make sure. Am I even typing? Yes, I am. Looks like yes, and then, all right. So once you are here, right, all you have to do is done. And that is it. You just click done. And now this one will not work for me, guys, because I don't have any balance on this, right? I'm just demoing, I'm just demonstrating. You will see this in a couple seconds change and go through that in your side. I don't know, mine will fail. I didn't have any balance in this wallet. This is, see how it came back now? It wants me to do another automatic registration because there's no balance. All right, but you go through this little process and you will see your transaction come up, and then you will land on your back office that will look exactly like where it's like this. It will look exactly like this. Exactly like this is how it's gonna look, and then you will be fully registered. Right? So make sure you join the Facebook group. Make sure you are up to date with everything that we're doing at the MIC family. This is very important So stay up to date because we're going to be coming with all the information that you guys need to ensure that you understand exactly how to manage and operate this amazing smart contract. It's your boy Manny Hernandez saying goodbye, but remember, always remember, it's not about the money, it's about the freedom.